Good morning, students. As in the previous video of this chapter, we have discussed about new profit sharing ratio and sacrificing ratio. Today, we will discuss the practical problems related to the new profit ratio and sacrificing ratio. Here is the illustration. A, B, C are partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 4:3. 4:3:2. A, B, C were partners and 4:3:2. It is their old ratio. It is their old ratio. D is admitted for 1/3 share in future profit. Now, what is the new profit sharing ratio and sacrificing ratio? It's very simple. First of all, old ratio is 4:3:2. Okay, and new partners ratio is 1/3. So first of all, assume that future profit of the firm is 1 rupee. Future profit of the firm will be 1 rupee. And now we have to find out the remaining profit. Remaining profit will be 1 minus new partner share. Means if we are getting the profit of 1 rupees, if we will distribute the share to new partner, that we will get the remaining. So the new partner share was 1/3. So 1 minus 1/3, it will be 2/3. Here, now new profit sharing ratio of A, it will be old ratio multiplied by remaining share. The formula for getting the new ratio will be old ratio multiplied by remaining ratio. Old ratio is 4:3:2. It means 4 upon total of this 4 plus 3 plus 2. 4 plus 3 plus 2. So 4 divided by 9, 3 divided by 9 and 2 divided by 9. Okay. So new profit sharing ratio of A is equal to old ratio into remaining share. Old will be 4/9 multiplied by 2/3, so it's 8/7. Other B, 3/9 multiplied by 2/3, it will be 6 divided by 27. It will be 6 divided by 27. It's mentioned wrong here. It will be 6 divided by 27. Then 2/9 multiplied by 2/3, it will be 4 divided by 27. In each and everything there is 27 in the denominator, and here the denominator is 3. Here the denominator is 3. We have to make it 27. So we will multiply both the numerator and denominator by 9 to get 27. So it will be 8, 6, 4, 9 upon 27. 27 will be cancelled. So new profit will be this. Now let's move to the sacrificing ratio. Sacrificing ratio will be old minus new. Old ratio of A will be 4/9 minus 8/27. It will be 4/27. Then 3/9 minus 6/27. It will be 3/27. 2/9 minus 4/27. It will be 2/27. So the sacrificing ratio is 4:3:2, same as the old ratio. So this is it for this illustration. Now just moving to the next illustration. R and S are partners sharing profit in the ratio of 7:3. T joins the firm as a new partner and takes 2/7 from R and 1/7 from S. It's very simple. In it is very simple. So now just showing the solution. Here you can see the new profit sharing of R giving 2/7 to T. So 7/10 minus 2/7, it will be 29/70. It's the new ratio of R. Same goes with S. S is contributing 1/7, so 3/10 minus 1/7, it will be 11/70. Total of T, 2/7 from R and 1/7 from T, it will be 3/7. We have to make the denominator equal, so it will be multiplied by 10, so 30 upon 70. 29, 11 and 30 upon 70. So it will be new profit sharing ratio. Now new profit sharing ratio, now we have to get the sacrificing ratio. So for getting the sacrificing ratio, old ratio minus new ratio. So old ratio of R was 7 by 10, new was 29 by 70, take the LCM, and the new ratio will be 20 upon 70, sacrificing ratio. Sacrificing ratio of S, old minus new, old was this, new was this, take the LCM, and now is 10 by 70. 70 will be cancelled, 0 will be cancelled, so it will be 2:1. 2:1. So this is it. This is it for today. We have find the way to get the sacrificing ratio and new profit sharing ratio. In the upcoming videos, we will discuss about the goodwill, and after that, we will discuss some practical problems, and this chapter will be completed. Till then, you all are requested to keep learning, keep studying, and keep practicing. If you find any type of doubts and any query, you can ask. We will be there to help you out in all your needs. Till then, bye bye, students.